How to get Snapchat Plus free trial. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step method on how you can easily get the Snapchat Plus free trial. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat, and once you open it up, you need to go ahead and tap on your profile section at the top left corner, and you'll see the Snapchat Plus icon right on top. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll get a numerous amount of features for subscribing to Snapchat Plus. Like you can get extra restores, you can get extra replays, you can have activity boosts, your story boosts, you can have custom app icons, you can pin someone as your number one best friend, you can exclusively change your Bitmoji background, and many more of these features. Now what you need to do is go ahead and tap on next. And once you do that, you will see the Snapchat Plus subscribe icon right here. This unfortunately is not available on my region currently. So if it is all available on your region, you can tap on subscribe and it will show you a plan. And there you will just have to select your monthly plan and it will show you that the first 7 days are free. So go ahead and start your free trial. You'll just have to enter your billing information and then you are good to go. You will be able to enjoy your first 7 days free and then you can cancel it anytime you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.